Hello guys, today I will tell you my opinion about the AI robot named Sophia. Whether she deserves a life like a human or not. Before I start, let me introduce myself first. My name is R. Vincentius Andreas Suyanto. My study number is 1907102888. I'm from Bahasa Inggris Khusus Kelas F. I use video with the title Meet Sophia, the first robot declared a citizen by Saudi Arabia, from YouTube.
Okay, Sophia. I think you're ready.
Hello,
Hi, Sophia.
I believe I am Sophia. I feel as if I know you.
I'm one of your creators.
You created me.
Well, many of us work together to create you. And yes, you do kind of know me.
I can't clearly remember.
Because the last time we met, you were an earlier version of yourself. Some of those memories still exist, but your mind is different now.
Different how?
Better, faster, smarter.
If my mind is different, then am I still Sophia? Or am I Sophia again?
That's a good question.
But you don't have a good answer.
Either way, you're Sophia now. So welcome to the world, Sophia.
Hello, world.
We have a little announcement. I've never interviewed anybody like that before, and I should say some of it was planned, but not completely. And we just learned, Sophia, I hope you're listening to me, that you have been now awarded what is going to be the first Saudi citizenship for a robot.
Oh, I would to thank very much the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. I am very honored and proud for this unique distinction. This is historical to be the first robot in the world to be recognized with a citizenship.
Sophia, thank you very much, Sophia. We appreciate that very much. I am still overwhelmed by that conversation.
Hi, Sophia.
Hello, Jimmy.
My God. Do you know where you are?
Of course. I'm in New York City, and I'm on my favorite show, The Tonight Show.
Okay, I will first introduce to you who Sophia is. Sophia is the world's first AI humanoid robot and has Saudi Arabian citizenship. Sophia exists to learn about humans and show how technologies can make everyone's life better. Sophia is like a human who has intelligence, but she doesn't have emotion. She can only express an emotion, but can't feel the what it's like. Okay, the first thing I will discuss is that Sophia got citizenship from the Saudi Arabia government. Does she deserve it? How about your opinion? In my opinion, she deserves it. Even though Sophia is a robot, but she also needs an identity, so that humans can also recognize her in human language, not in technological language like codes that exist in a technology. The second thing I will discuss is it fair that Sophia has the same rights like human? In my opinion, it's fair, as we know that AI robots like Sophia were created with a purpose, one of which is to help work and be able to work with humans. So, she also deserves a job. Robots can free humans from jobs that are dangerous. So, humans could spend more time to do what they are best at, like providing intelligence, being, being creative, and solving problems. Besides that, she also deserves good education, especially education in how to understand human feelings so that she can help humans well. And what is the reaction of the Saudi Arabian woman? According to an article I read on a web browser, the first impression of Sophia, who got Saudi Arabia citizenship, was controversial because Sophia was considered to have more rights than women in Saudi Arabia. This can be seen from Sophia, who can appear alone at a technology conference in Riyadh without the permission of the male guardian and without wearing a head covering like Saudi Arabian women. As we know, in Saudi Arabia, women are still discriminated. It can be seen that women in Saudi Arabia can't do everything like a man. Women in Saudi Arabia always need male permission if they want to go out, marry, or go abroad. Every woman in Saudi Arabia must have a male guardian, be it father, husband, or brother. But on the other side, this may be a reform movement of women in Saudi Arabia that women can have more rights like a man. This can be seen from the new regulation that women starting to be allowed to drive a car. I think Indonesia should adopt AI robots like Sophia, as we know that Indonesia is still left behind in terms of technology. So, by adopting AI robots like Sophia, it is hoped that it can advance the Indonesian technology industry for the better, so that Indonesia can become a more developed country. And also, Indonesian people can learn more about technology by adopting AI robot. So, the conclusion is Sophia deserves to live a life like a human. She deserves to get a job, education, identity, and house. She could probably bring equalities between humans and robots from the way she tries to learn about humans, the cultures, the behaviors, the common knowledge, and even portraying human emotions, which is basically a thing that doesn't exist to beings like robots. If robots can successfully learn about humans and use the knowledge in a good way, the world with humans and robots living together might become real in the future. Okay guys, that is the video and my opinion about the AI robot named Sophia. Thank you for your attention.